guys, I have a goal today. I want to do 5 quick and easy Christmas DIYs. Here's number 1, and I made this, and if I can make it, you can make it too. Let's go. Okay guys, for this project we're going to need a 12-inch board by 6-inch, and it's a 1/4 inch thick. Okay, and this is the varnished version. I'll show you as we go, but that's your basis. You need a little bit of ribbon of your choice. You need a little bit of raffia, not a whole lot, just a little. You need the 2 letters J and Y. Okay, and these are the probably about 3.5 inch versions for this size of a sign, otherwise it won't look right. These come from Dollar Tree. You get them in bunches of 4 for $1. These come for $1 as well. You need about 1 foot of garland, okay, and about 1.5 feet of wire. Your tools are going to be, or your extras are going to be, you're going to need some varnish, some wood varnish, white acrylic paint, of course your trusty dusty glue gun. You're going to need a drill, okay, and you're going to need your sanding block, okay. And let's go away and come back and see what we can do with all of this. Next step, your prep on your board, of course, is to stain it with your dark walnut wood finish. And then after that, after it dries, you're going to put a couple of coats of your white acrylic, let it dry, and then you're going to stress it with your wood block, okay. And if you can see, I took the wood varnish and just kind of lightly went over it to give it that rustic look, okay. And of course, drill your holes just up in the corner. That's for your wire, for your hanging. You're gonna cut your little cranberries up in little bunches. Just tie just a simple little bow with your ribbon. You're gonna paint your J and your Y, and red really makes this one pop out, but you know, if you want a green, that might look good too. And then just a few of your strands of raffia. Now I wanted to do this one on camera here. Let me make sure. Well, to accommodate this, to make this look, you know, make the wreath fit the project, you're going to need to cut this garland down, okay. Once you cut it down, then you'll have your mini wreath. You won't have to go looking for any thinner garland. Just save some more money. Okay. And once you cut it down, what you're going to show this one on camera, because you can make it any size it needs to be. So it's going to be the O in your joy. So once you cut that off, then just wrap it around, and there you have a perfect little wreath. Okay, yay. Okay, and then of course you have your bell, no prep on that, but you're going to cut your little bundle down to smaller bundles, okay. And I think I got 4 here, 4, 5. That'll be plenty. And then of course you're going to base coat your J and your Y, and just pull out a few strands of the raffia, and then okay, your wire's cut. 1.5 foot of wire. All right, next step. Next step. The first thing I do in this is to go ahead and attach your wire. That way your project's sturdy, and you don't have to worry about it falling apart while it's still wet. But man, let me get rid of some of this wire. Just show you real quick how to attach your wire. You adjust your height. Okay. Bend it up. And I'm going to take some more of that off of there. But take the needle nose pliers and just roll it up. Because again, I always go for a rustic look, but you do you. But circle that around. Turn in circles until you get it to be. Okay, where you want it to be. Okay. Same on the other side. Just to come together really cute. And I want it to be quick. I'm trying to make it really quick, guys, because I have some quick projects for those who don't need all the preliminaries. Okay, there you go with that. Okay, next step, it's time to go ahead and glue together your reef, which is not going to be a huge deal. The full part of it, I'm leaving at the bottom. Okay, let's move this over. Glue together your reef. Add your little bow. Cute little bow. And then add your little berries. You can put as many as you want. I'm just doing 3. Need my hot glue gun. Okay, very simple, very quick, very easy. Glue down your letters. Glue on your reef. Okay. Easy peasy. Just right on there with your hot glue. Go up kind of close with that J because you want to make sure it's got plenty of room for your reef. Yeah. Y. Go down close to the bottom with your Y because you don't want to make that reef too small. And then glue your reef on. It's a quick, easy project, guys. I just love these little quick ones. Turn it around here so you can see what we're doing. How easy this is to do. So easy, so quick, so cute. Tell you that hot glue gets me every time, guys. Every time. Gotta make sure and hold it down long enough. Let me make sure we're on camera, yeah. And your last step on this one is going to be your raffia. Always when I use wire, I tie a little raffia. It just seems to balance it out. Balance out the look. Oh gosh, sorry about that. I got this raffia at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to tell you, it really isn't that strong. But by the same token, they sell it everywhere, so you're not limited to that. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Hobby Lobby, and it's not an expensive item. Okay, it's really, really not. Okay. But I just love the rustic look it brings to projects. Let me get a close up on that. Hold on. Here it is, guys. Your completed version of the joy sign that you just made. It's gorgeous. I love it. And you did a great job. So until the next time, I'm going to try to put out 4 or 5 more of these quick videos, and I'll see you then. Okay, bye-bye.